Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Bot. Today, we are going to see how to solve and detailed explanation for the Day 0 challenge right here on the hackerrank website. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, like and share our channel. It means nothing to you, but a tremendous motivation for me. The objective of this challenge is to print hello world in first line and to print the text that the user enters in next line. This is the code for the challenge. It is included in the description box below in .c format. The header files included are #include studio.h. It is used for standard input and output functions. #include string.h. It is used when we use string handling functions. #include std.h. It is used for standard library process functions. Int main. This is where our compiler starts compiling process from here, and for int it must return some value. Char a of 100. Here we are initializing the string. Scanf is used for getting the text from the user. Printf is used for printing the text to user in the output. Return 0 is used for returning a value, hence it is an int main function. Now, we compile the program and entering a string. Hello there, subscribe and like. The output returns as hello world in first line and user entered text in next line. This is the format we need to program to solve the Day 0 challenge. Now we are saving the file as first day of hackerrank c.c. After saving the file, by opening the hackerrank website where our challenge problem is, down of the challenge description there is an option to upload our file saved as first day of hackerrank c.c. After uploading the file we can run the code to see any error occurs. There are no errors in this code. So, we can proceed to submit the code. They will check our code against their predefined test cases. If our program is correct, then we will pass all test cases. Here, I am unlocking the test case 2 for some credit. As you can see, our first challenge in the hackerrank's 30 days of C is successfully coded. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below if you found this video is helpful.